Choo-choo-choo, the train's on track. Choo-choo-choo, no turning back. Rolling forward, singing bright, bringing friends with songs and lights. Giraffe so tall he lifts his head, crunches leaves above your bed. Looking out from clouds so high, he sees the world across the sky. Roar! The lion rules the land with mighty voice and golden stand. The sun is blazing warm and bold, he guards the plains both brave and bold. Choo-choo-choo, the train is near. Choo-choo-choo, through Africa we cheer. Animals are singing, friends in play. The happy train rolls on its way.
Kangaroo hops,
Boing, boing, boing,
with baby in her pouch.
bounce along.
They leap through fields in heat and sun,
Jumping around and having fun.
Koala sleeps,
So slow, so sweet,
munching eucalyptus leaves to eat. Koala, where are you?
up in my tree, dreaming songs that sing to me. Choo-choo-choo, the rails are bright. Choo-choo-choo, Australia says hi. Animals are singing through the trees. The train brings spring on dancing breeze. Penguin waddles in a tux, marches bold with snowy steps. He dives for fish, splash and swim. The cold can't stop the brave in him.
Seal on ice goes
Clap, clap, clap,
he dives in deep,
then splash, snap, snap.
he plays with waves, jumps through the snow. He pops up high and down he goes.
Choo-choo-choo, through snowy race. Choo-choo-choo, the wind plays lace. Animals sing in frozen delight. The happy train zooms south in flight.
The bear walks slow on northern ice. He catches fish so calm, so nice. Then in his den he curls to rest. He waves goodbye.
Sleep is best.
Reindeer runs,
Stomp, stomp, stomp.
his antlers shine.